Plant FAQs, Athyrium Ghost. My journey with Athyrium Ghost. As a dedicated gardener, I've always been fascinated by the unique beauty of ferns. Among all the varieties I've nurtured, Athyrium Ghost stands out as one of my favorites. Its striking appearance and relatively low maintenance requirements make it a perfect addition to any garden. Let me take you through my experience with this enchanting plant. What is Athyrium Ghost? Athyrium Ghost, also known as ghost fern, is a deciduous fern known for its stunning silvery fronds. The plant is a hybrid between Athyrium niponicum, Japanese painted fern, and Athyrium filix femina, lady fern. The ghost fern boasts a beautiful blend of silver and light green foliage, which adds a mystical charm to shady garden spots. Are Athyrium ghost perennial? Yes, Athyrium ghost ferns are perennial plants. This means they come back year after year, provided they are cared for properly. I've found that these ferns are particularly resilient and can thrive in a variety of conditions, making them an excellent long-term addition to my garden. How to care for Athyrium Ghost. Caring for Athyrium Ghost ferns is relatively straightforward. Here are the key aspects to consider. Light and location. Ghost ferns prefer partial to full shade, which makes them ideal for planting in areas of the garden where other plants might struggle. I've planted mine in a shaded corner where they receive dappled sunlight throughout the day. Soil requirements. These ferns thrive in well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. I've mixed compost into the garden bed where I planted them to ensure they have all the nutrients they need. Watering. Athyrium ghost ferns prefer consistently moist soil. I water mine regularly, especially during dry spells, but I'm careful not to let the soil become waterlogged. Mulching. Adding a layer of mulch around the base of the ferns helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. I usually use shredded leaves or bark mulch for this purpose. How to propagate Athyrium Ghost. Propagating Athyrium Ghost can be done through division. Here's how I do it. Timing. The best time to divide ghost ferns is in early spring before new growth starts. Digging up. I carefully dig up the fern, making sure to get as much of the root system as possible. Division. Using a sharp knife, I divide the root ball into smaller sections, ensuring each section has a good amount of roots and fronds. Replanting. I then replant the divisions in well-prepared soil, water them thoroughly, and mulch around them. What to plant with Athyrium Ghost? Ghost ferns are versatile and can be paired with a variety of plants to create stunning garden combinations. Here are a few companions I've planted alongside them. Hostis. Hostis broadleaves contrast beautifully with the delicate fronds of ghost ferns. Both plants thrive in similar conditions, making them perfect companions. Astilbes. Astilbes add a splash of color with their feathery plumes, complementing the muted tones of the ghost fern. They also enjoy the same moist, shady environments. Heucheras. Heucheras, with their vibrant foliage, provide an excellent contrast to the silvery fronds of the ghost fern. They come in various colors, allowing for creative garden designs. Common issues and solutions. Despite their hardiness, Athyrium ghost ferns can face a few challenges. Here are some issues I've encountered and how I've addressed them. Pests. Slugs and snails can sometimes be a problem. I've found that using organic slug pellets or creating barriers with crushed eggshells can help keep these pests at bay. Diseases. Fungal diseases can occur in overly wet conditions. Ensuring good air circulation and proper spacing between plants can help prevent these issues. Yellowing leaves. If the leaves start to yellow, it might be a sign of too much sun or not enough water. Adjusting the light exposure and watering schedule has helped keep my ferns healthy. Why I love Athyrium Ghost. The Athyrium Ghost fern has become one of my favorite plants for several reasons. Its unique appearance brings an ethereal quality to my garden. The ease of care and resilience of the plant make it a joy to grow. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, I highly recommend adding this beautiful fern to your collection.